Hey, what's up? February 15th, 2019. Wife and I are headed to French Lick, Indiana to go play some craps, go stay at the resort. We had our honeymoon there. Let's see how this goes. Headed to West Baden from this train from 1903 that they have refurbished. 20-minute wait, so here we are. We're gonna wait it out. Say hi to the camera.
Hey, waiting on the trolley.
Imagine that, she's looking on her phone. We're walking down to the trolley station as we watch the trolley pull away. Apparently it starts running at 10 a.m.
Not 7 like the website says.
Website's wrong in the winter. Those people had extremely bright orange sweatshirts on. Hopefully you got to see that. We are walking around West Baden Gardens. It's pretty cold outside, so there's not much of a garden here.
Just burning time for the trolley to come back.
And it smells exactly like a skunk. It's very pungent. All right. This looks creepy. You bet your ass we're going in here. Wow. Echo. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. I mean, I'd live here. Can you imagine what a drum set would sound like in here? It would be awesome, dude. Now we're gonna walk by the fountain. That's not a fountain. Hey, there's a turtle in here. There's a couple turtles.
And froggies.
All right, let's go warm up at the trolley station and wait 40 minutes for the trolley to show up. Hopefully not. All right, bye. Almost dropped the $500 camera in the water. It would have been ruined too.
Yeah.
Made it on the trolley.
Going from West Baden back to French Lick.
We've been wanting to ride the trolley since 9:30 this morning.
And it is 10:47.
So we are committed. We have committed.
We're invested.
We are in. Making some grinding noises. It's loud. Beautiful place. hello.
We are in the courtyard of French Lick Resort, heading down to the world famous Pluto Springs, where they have a famous Pluto water.
I'll just do this. I'll just read it off of this placard. I feel like I can't mess it up. Both hot and cold was served just inside this entrance to this hotel. Bronze statues of Pluto were added on the roof to guide visitors to Pluto's buffet, where they could take the waters.
In quotes.
Hotel staff physicians would prescribe a regimen of water, exercise, and diet for each patient. Guests were told the water did not mix with alcohol. So basically, if you drank the water, you would poop your brains out.
And lose a lot of weight.
Lose a lot of weight. So it was high in sulfur because here in Indiana, we have a lot of sulfur. And so this is one of the rare sulfur springs that is around, I believe, in this area. So I'm gonna say it's not recommended anymore, but
yeah.
I guess you could, but for those at home who are watching, it smells like sulfur. And there you go.
Oh, there's some pennies.
I mean, it smells like a fart. America's greatest laxative. When nature won't, Pluto will. While here, take our mineral baths. The Pluto water, mineral spirits.
But it is beautiful, although the history of it's a little wonky.
And it smells absolutely terrible.
Real bad.
Like, just know, guys.
Probably step away from this.
Like, I feel like I'm gagging. It's so bad.
It's bad.
All right, I'm gonna sit here and I'm going to enjoy this smell. And
I'm gonna walk away.
All right, bye. Here's the mud. We're muddy, and we're on the limestones one at a time. So this is a beautiful resort. If you've never been here to French Lick, I highly recommend it. It's something you won't see anywhere else, I believe, in the world. But please, if you think that's wrong, prove me wrong. Change my mind, as they'd say. This is a beautiful place. Another Pluto Springs.
Got a little well right there. President Franklin Roosevelt, the Marx Brothers, Joe Louis, President Harry Truman, Bob Hope, Bing Crosby, and possibly Al Capone were just some of the famous guests to arrive in search of wellness.
There's a reason why this stuff isn't around anymore, and there's a little devil on top of the bottle. That was like their logo.
Devil.
Yeah,
yep.
From the early 1900s. It
He's
is
the Roman god of the underworld.
I could imagine if you were drinking this mineral water and you're sitting on the toilet, I'm sure the first thing you're thinking of is Fire Red Devil.
Right.
Because I'm sure it's a long afternoon. Hey gang.
We're having dinner tonight at West Baden at Sinclair's restaurant. We have not had dinner there yet. Yeah, they bought, the current owners bought West Baden for $500,000. Gorgeous inside.
And supposedly, way back in the day, there is a myth that said that the centerpiece in the top of the ceiling, let's reference it here, the very top part is supposed to come down on a cable, a live band that would stand on this platform while it lowered from the top of the ceiling.
Stand. Yep.
I don't know. We watched a documentary once. I think it's up for interpretation. There's not a single picture in the world that proves this theory, or lost in a fire, I think one gentleman said. So we're excited about it. I know you're excited about it.
I am.